In the winter of '95, I wrote a song that would change my life. Oh, music found a home, and I'd never dream of finding love. When it comes around, oh, you can't help but know. Heart is surprised when you let go of all you know of our love. I was high on the Holy Ghost, singing hymns with some friends I know. Oh, you looked me in the eye, and I've never seen a finer love. We were up on the second floor. You labored hard for a dream unborn. He cried for the first time.